Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the intraday harmonic scenario for gold futures for tomorrow, October 11th. Okay, now, as I've stated before, I have the day chart levels on here because there had been such an extreme move that it's really difficult to find some kind of harmonic rotation. There is an intraday harmonic rotation in the way of a shark, um, and possibly an inverse head and shoulders, as long as price can take out this key level 67.60. Then I'm going to be looking for this region up here, the 1282.7 area. Now, let me just show you on the day chart as a reminder. Okay, the the thing is that price had completed a bearish shark, okay, up here at 1375.50. Actually, the top of it was 1386.4. Anyway, so price is in retracement mode. It has retraced its ideal minimum target at 1262. There is a double bullish PRZ even lower. So that is calling price to it. So far, it hasn't been able to get there, right? That's going to be at the 1229.8 to the 1222.3 region. So these levels I have on my intraday chart. So here's, you can see that double bullish pair Z, and of course it's going to look bigger on an intraday chart than it does on a day chart. But what price is doing, and I was looking to see, if price can hold above this 1261, it's going to increase the probability of bouncing up into this region because it's calling price to it. And we have a rollover attempt in the moving averages. We also have some bearish divergence and momentum. Okay, we have this lower high versus that, and we have an extreme overbought in the HSI. Okay, and it's below its midpoint. So that's imply, and we have the STP indicator, the dots that are this particular color, brown, is saying it's pulling to the upside. Once that turns red, like the other ones, it implies that that particular swing point to the upside is complete, right? Okay, so this is the level. We're looking at the 1261. Where is price going to be? Right now, it's kind of neutral, but it's trying to shift to the upside. I'd want to see the HSI be able to push back above its midpoint and the RSI hold above its midpoint and be able to take out this previous swing high of 1267.6. Then it's going to highly increase the probability of testing this area. Now, if it can't hold above here, 1261, if it falls back below it, the initial pullback target is going to be that 1252.50, and below there I'm going to be looking for that day chart target of a double PRZ. Okay, on this particular chart, you don't want to diddle in the middle. You'd need to go to a smaller bar size. So let's do a 10. Okay, and we don't need very many days. All right, so now we see what's going on here, right? I still have my levels on here, but this is still diddling in the middle. So what you're going to want to do on these smaller bar sizes is see price take out this contraction area, right? Now on this particular, the brown dot is pulling to the downside, but until price can break and hold beyond this triangular formation, it's really in indecisive mode, right? Now if it can close above this 1262.3, come back and test it as support, that would give a long opportunity to that key level of 1267.6, right? And then once price can take out that previous high on the higher bar size, then it would increase the probability of going up to that shark PRZ. Okay? Otherwise, if we break down this triangle on this smaller bar size, and ideal, now the conservative approach if you see volume and momentum, with a breakdown, you can try it. Try going short. The conservative approach is wait for it to close below the triangle and then come up and test it as resistance. Either way you trade it, whether it be on the impulsive move or you trade with the conservative approach, both are never, you're not going to be able to have success with either one of those scenarios 100% of the time. So it's whatever feels comfortable to you. The conservative approach would be a close below this trend line and then go up there and test it as resistance. And then it gives you a short opportunity to that significant level, 1252.5. Okay, and below there would increase the probability of going to that day double PRZ. Okay.